Hello and welcome to Innovin Foods. I'm Nahida and today we are making something soft, spicy and snack perfect chicken crepe rolls. Let's get started. Heat 2 tablespoons oil in a pan. Add 2 cloves of chopped garlic and saute briefly. Now add half cup boiled shredded chicken, 2 tablespoons onion, 2 chopped green chilies, and 2 tablespoons tomato. This recipe works great with leftover chicken too. Season with half teaspoon pepper powder and half teaspoon salt. Add 1 tablespoon tomato sauce and 1 tablespoon mayonnaise. Mix well and cook for 2 minutes. Adding mayo to the filling gives it a creamy twist that kids love. Once ready, set it aside. Into a blender, add 1 cup flour, half teaspoon salt, 1 egg, 1 cup milk, and half cup water. Blend until smooth. Pour the batter into a bowl. Add half teaspoon chili flakes and 1 tablespoon chopped coriander leaves. Mix gently. No waste. You can prepare and refrigerate the batter in advance for quick snacks. Don't make the batter too thick. Thin batter ensures soft and flexible crepes. Use a non-stick pan for easy flipping without tearing. Grease a pan lightly with oil. Pour some batter and swirl to make a thin crepe. You can skip mayonnaise for a lighter version. Using whole wheat flour is a great option for extra fiber. Cook on medium heat for 2 minutes, then flip and cook for 1 more minute. Crepes originated in France, but are now loved globally, in both sweets and savory forms. Repeat and keep the crepes aside. Place the chicken filling on each crepe and roll it tightly. Let the filling cool slightly before rolling and avoid soggy crepes. Homemade crepes are lower in preservatives and better than fast food. Chicken is a lean source of protein, great for energy and muscle health. Now heat 2 tablespoons oil in a pan. Place the rolls and fry until golden and crisp on both sides. Fry the rolls on medium heat so they cook evenly and turn crisp. Have you ever tried crepes in a savory version before? Tell us what else would you love to roll into these crepes. Would you prefer this with chicken, veggies or maybe egg? Tag a friend who always loves new snack ideas. Use a non-stick pan for easy flipping without tearing. And your delicious chicken crepe rolls are ready to enjoy. That's all for today's tasty and crispy chicken crepe roll recipe. Perfect for snacks, lunch boxes or even a light dinner. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, comment and share. Subscribe to Innovin Foods for more simple and exciting food ideas. See you again soon. Until then, keep cooking and keep smiling.